Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the hashtag How Do You Do Art for October of 2025. And this month we're going to be working in contrast with the side quest of making like a mini journal using contrasting things. So they can be anywhere from colors, like whatever is on the opposite end of the color wheel, like maybe blue and I gotta look at the color wheel. Blue and red. I don't know. I gotta look at the color wheel. But anyway, contrasting colors, black and white, and it could also be like straight lines versus curvy lines, or maybe abstract versus shabby chic, or well, I don't know if that's like absolute contrast, but anything that's opposite each other, contrast. So, and it could be tone, it could be happy and then a sad tone, maybe a theme, like a happy theme layout and then like a sad theme layout, or dark and then a light, or working in contrast. So I'm in the mood for fall stuff, so my mini journal is going to be like a fall journal, but it's going to have contrasting stuff in it too. All right, so today I'm just going to work on my little 5x7 what do you call it, gel. I've got some papers over here, and let me see which colors I'm going to do. Okay, so I did like a little cheat sheet, so I'll probably do red and green today, maybe some orange and blue. We'll see about purple and yellow. But yeah, so let's go start with the red and green. Okay, sorry, I didn't have everything all together. We got blue, black, pretty much everything but, okay, here's the red. Now I gotta get green. All right, let's see. I got some green somewhere. All right, so I'm gonna start out. I'm just gonna put like a layer of some red. Well, first I'm going to do like a little bit of red up here, and then what did I say, red and green. Oh, that sounds like Christmas. I'm just, instead of that shade of green, I'm gonna do like this shade of green, like a fallish shade of green. And then I'm just gonna blend it in. And I'm going to be using some stencils and stamps. It's okay that some of the green got mixed in here. It's fine. Then I'm just going to take and just put this on top. And as a matter of fact, I'm just going to pull it, pick up some of that stencil work. It's okay. It's not bad. And I'm just going to pull that. And then we're going to pull this. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, and I'm just going to add some more green. And I'm just going to basically just do like that and see if we can get some different patterns and stuff. I'm just going to use the same page to pick up some of these patterns. I like that so far. And then I'm just going to see if I can pull some of that. I'm going to put some of this green on top of that. I know it hasn't dried all the way, but I'm just going to still put a little bit on there just to see if it even partially dried, and then I can get a pull from both. We'll see. Oh, cool. Yeah, it did. It's not real bright, but I mean, I'm still cool with it. I'm satisfied with it. All right, we're going to set that stencil to the side and that one to the side. And we're going to do some more. And this time, I'm just going to put the green down first, like all the way across, just to see what I can come up with. Because I want to make some different things from Halloween, Thanksgiving, all kinds of stuff. So I need some backdrops. Some of these I can probably add maybe some black sprays and brown sprays and things like that. Let's see. Now, I'm going to take this and I'm going to pick up some of the paint using different stamps, different textured stamps, and see what we can come up with. Alright, so move that out of the way. Oh, now that's pretty cool. I like that. So let's do red like that. I'm just going to do a few more and then that's going to be it. But I just wanted to get just a few of them done. That's pretty cool. So what I may do is, see, those are contrasting colors. Let's see, I guess I have to stick to the same. Do a little bit more with the green. And I guess a little bit more with the red. I probably put too much paint on there, but anyway. So let's slide this over. I like that grungy look too, of the two colors mixed together, just as they are. And let's just pull these. And that's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna pull this on this side. I like that. All right, so let's do another color. Let's try orange and blue. All right, so let's put this red up. Let's move these out of the way and let them finish drying. You know, I don't think I have orange. I'm gonna have to make some. We have blue. Yellow. Is it yellow and brown that makes one? What makes brown? Which one is it? Yellow. Yellow and green make blue, so I'll use a little bit of brown. And probably white. I guess I forgot. Yeah, that's not quite orange. Is it red? Red and yellow make orange? Golly, Sonny, this is so elementary. Okay, let's try this. Jesus, take the wheel, the color wheel. Bless it. How do I not know? Oh my goodness. Okay. I believe we're on to something now, y'all. All right, let's get us another brush and just... Well, look at there. We've got us some orange coming in here. Don't hold that against me, y'all, okay? This is sort of an orange. I'm going to dip it in that right there too, to give it more of an orange. Yeah, this isn't really orange, but whatever. All right, and then we're going to need our blue. It's kind of orange, just not all the way orange. Oh, that's more brown than anything. Well, I guess brown is a byproduct of it, so. Alright, so this is pretty much what we have, and I'm satisfied with it. And I like to do like double-sided, some of them double-sided, simply because if I'm making leaves or different things like that, I like for it to show on both sides. So, but yeah, here's our little pattern, or patterns. And I think I'm gonna have fun making something with these little backdrops or backgrounds. And these are just little runoffs or whatever, but I still like the colors. So, alright, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And like I said, I'll do a little mini journal throughout the month and see what we can come up with. Alright, thanks for watching.